DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
Gang. What's good, YouTube? Gang, you don't know what time it is. Done back in a lab with more reactions and more bangers on the head top, you know. Yeah, man, gang, you see what I do today? Tell you with Mr. Dunks himself, you know. You see me and say, Mr. 30, now if you say 40, 39, good. You see me and say, Mr. Tony Black in the iron show himself, you know. You see me and say, you see what I do today? We're there with none other than Jamal. The one named Psalms. I check it out and see what dog do it. Jamal, I tell you a long time, so Jamal is one of the best in the game, you know. Dog finally get him recognition, you know. No artists run with the dog style, but dog finally get him recognition and him buzz. After that, he drop him big song like Ballon d'Or and then song there. You see me and say? But yeah, man, we not roll up very much longer as a Jamal Psalms gang. Let's get it. But y'all let my cry to me, how I go on. Y'all be mom them, watch it. Yeah, man, y'all like, hey. Them party. Yo, Jamal have some of my best intros in the game. I ain't gonna lie to you. Call me gruff. They say we now go broke. Chopper fi true dog. We always hunting food. Now go broke. Chopper fi true. Always our own food. Come in. Bust them rollie and nothing but roller. When they say me neck a freeze and nothing but cold. Now when me say me bleach I never know never zone. Up on the line with every days with a cellular phone. Talk to them, Jamal. Come in. Stocks and bonds, so steady accounts. Got blacks and pants with plenty of rounds. One don't span and me send on a road. Make it for stocks and pants with pennies around. Come on. Skate me no sin up a tool. VSOP no patrol. Cushion on my brain make me high like a drone. Water party me day and get a bite on the cone. One seal brick make she kneel on the floor. Say she wants something. One seal brick. That will do it. That will do it, man. I want to know. Come in, pull up this on the top. Talk to them, Jamal. I want to them, Jamal. All of the true believer, them that's not a new believer. Listen. If his color play hard, he psalms him up. Come on. Tell them don't fuck up the place, me dark it up, the don't stand dark, you fuck. We chop the line and park it, chuck a Gucci palm, me shut a who did call me gruff. Chop the line and park it, chuck a Gucci palm, me shut a who call me gruff. Come in now, man. They say we now go broadly, chop a fi true dog, we always hunting food. Talk to them, Mr. Duns. Bust them rollie and nothing but roller. When they say me neck a freeze and nothing but cold. And when me say me bleach I never know never zone. Up on the line with every days with a cellular phone. We got bleach and a never zone, brother. Come on. Blacks and bonds, so steady accounts. Got blacks and pants with plenty of rounds. One don't span and me send on a road. Make X4 skate, me no sin up a tool. VSOP no patrol. Cushion on my brain, make me high like a drone. Water party. A drone in the sky, that one tear, man. Me day and get a bite on the cone. A one seal brick, make she kneel on the floor. Say she wants suck me too, me say feel easy no mama, easy no mama, mona. Pants in her clothes. Yes. White girl I get can't alone. The 17 pound my belly and a Ganzi alone. Automatic wish fool that I plan for your bro. 17 pound my belly and a Ganzi alone, you know that, come on. Then you see a chase my dream. The new Glock now the safety feed. Stay guard, no me pray for me. No safety panic like you know. No that in a boy. No safety. Come in. Come and dark your fuck. And if this color play hard, man, sound him up. Jump in at the Benz and start it up. This is my Jeep for me day and I'm a cocky shot. Regular day, my money stink bun garbage. 30 mil chopper who done sound with. Pull up the Benz scoop and a Honda. Regular day, my money don't stink a garbage, brother. Oh, I'm to you. Who done sound with? Yes. Splash on the Bulgari. It's funny now. Because she love crosses. Blood. Easy Jamal, this I don't say.
Regular day, my money stink on garbage. 30 mil chopper who done some we. Pull up a bench scoop on a Honda Civic. Don't span in our wall cause she love grasses. Splash on the Bulgari. Gucci sign for the
Splash on, man, I want you know, say, hey, center kick them like, hey.
She said the money ain't done that shit. You ever clear money, I want it. You ever see the bricks that I move from pallet to the forklift? So much money, me turn the target. Money where you build skyscraper.
So move from pallet to the forklift.
Apartment, and them know some can't spell. Bust down rolling and nothing but roller. When they send me like a freeze and nothing but cold. Now when me send me bleach, I never know never zone. Up on the line with every day with a cellular phone. Then you see I chase my dream. The new Glock 9
safety feet. Easy now, man.
Stay guard, but me pray for me. Skate the X4, make you wake your skin. Come on, dark the fuck. And if this color play hard, man, sound him up. Jump in at the Benz, I'll start it up. This I'm a jeep from a day, and I'm a cocky shot.
Talk to them, no man. Hey. Please, easy no more, man. YouTube, don't flag the blood clot video. Psalms them up, man. I am to them, man. Easy skipper. Jamal, the one named Psalms. Gang, what do you think about the one in the comment section, eh? Eh? What you think, Mr. Bob? Hey, what you think, Mr. Duns, though? Yeah, man, Jamal, bro. Jamal continue him run, man. You see me, I said Jamal, they're on a winning streak right now. No joke, bro. The vibes and energy dog I bring to dancehall right now is like, it's unmatched. Man, I do him thing, man. I'm one lane. You see me, I say dog got him one vibe. Them songs and music video are very raw, edgy, catchy, full of vibes. The quality and production is up there. Yo, Jamal are doing thing, bro. You see me, I say Jamal definitely are doing thing, bro. You see me, top level productions and quality songs that come out and thing. Jamal, I become one of the leader in the trap dancehall, you know. You see me, I say no joke, bro. If you just need to continue upon the trajectory where you have it, definitely have a place in the dancehall. So finally, I get a buzz and recognition that he deserves. You see me, ER, feed chime. So a lot more people became aware of Jamal since the interview. And a lot more people are tuning in and taking a looking into his music. You see me, I say. So big up Jamal, my dream thing, dog. Sky's the limit for Jamal, you see me? So I take him out hopefully and see how that progress over years. You see me? In a couple years time, you probably say when I OG solidify him spotting at this, I do it big. You see me? And right now, chap dancehall, the genre itself is very young, so and it's growing rapidly. And while people don't even see, like me, I see far in the future, like chap dancehall is growing. Chap dancehall as well is getting more known, and the artists them with him, they're getting more known, more exposure and all that shit. So these new artists might be big artists, man, doing big crazy numbers than the previous generations, and it's a good look, which is where you want dancehall to be at. But yeah, man, gang, we know anything about the one in the comment section. If you like it, definitely show the artists some love and support, make you know side dance, and let me know if you're a part of beats, all that good stuff, gang. Let's chop it up in the comment section. You see me? Yeah, man, let's get that dialogue going. Road to 10K, like and subscribe button. You don't know what time it is, gang. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.